Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariiiii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell, we are doing a vampire Halloween makeup tutorial, which is this look right here. I am obsessed with the way this came out, and like I said in this video, I have been binge watching Vampire Diaries, so it's like, obviously your girl has to do a vampire look. If you know, you know. If you watch Vampire Diaries, I think I've been spending a little too much time with Stefan and Damon. Anyways, if you guys are interested to see how I got this vampire look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so I have been kind of obsessed with Vampire Diaries recently, and I was like, this year I have to do a vampire look, so that is what I'm doing for you guys today. So I don't even know where to start. I got some fake blood, and then I got some like mouth blood, because you know, like you can't put any type of fake blood in your mouth. So I got this one from the spirit store. Hopefully it doesn't taste like shit. And then I also got some red contacts here. I freaking struggle with contacts, and I want to do it after the look so I don't look crazy the whole tutorial. But then I feel like I need to do it before I go in with the lashes, because I might cry the lashes off. So I don't even know where to start. But I have a few ideas in mind, so we're just going to jump right into it and let this look come to life. I already started off with a base on. I don't know if I want to bronze. I might go in with a little bit just to carve the cheekbones out, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do that first. So I'm gonna go into my Benefit Hoola bronzer using this Nazanin BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I don't want too much of warmth in the face because, you know, vampires don't really have bronzer. They're pretty pale, but I really want to carve this out, so I'm gonna see if I can go in with some bronzer and then go in with some red just to bring like the whole eye look together. So we'll see. Yeah, I just know they have like really intense definition right here. So I'm just gonna try that out. Yeah, so we want it to look kind of intense. You see how like there's like a shadow of a line right there? You can do that. I already started off with the base just because it's the usual base that I always do, and I don't really want to bore you guys. Just want to get straight into the tutorial, so that's what I decided to do. I'm literally just drawing a line. I think that should be good for now because we'll blend it out a little more after. I'm just going in with a clean brush. My face looks a lot more like, we'll just leave it like that for now. I think I want to add a little teensy bit of blush, so I'm going to take this Benefit California blush and just put some right here. We're going to go in with a lot more red later, so this is just kind of like the start of it. Alright, so for this look, I'm focusing on a very like dark red and then brighter red on the outside. So I don't know if I want to go in with black. Let's see. So I'm going to take this Sigma eyeshadow E55 brush, go into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to start off with the dark shade. So I'm going to take this shade right here. It's kind of like a plum shade, and we're going to start just by packing that onto the lid. Yes, super pigmented. So literally just apply it in this shape like so. And then we're going to go in with like a red shade to blend it out. Just so we can make sure this color stays like the most intense. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M514 blending brush, and I'm going to go into the red shade of the James Charles palette. And we're just going to start to go above this shade and try to blend it out a bit. And then it's okay if it comes out here because we want the red look to smoke out. Okay, so I think I want the eyeshadow to be more intense. So I'm going to take some of this black shade and pack that right on top. Because I noticed when I went in with the red, it kind of disappeared a bit. So we're just going to keep going back and forth. So I'm going to go back into the red shade as well as a little bit of that plum shade and blend, and keep blending outwards as well. And it's okay if it falls out down here. You guys can see the black is falling. It's totally fine. Gonna go in some more with that red shade. We want this red to be very intense. I need to start on this side. And then drag it down a bit with the red. I'm gonna go back in with some more black. So if you guys notice, when I go in with the red, it kind of takes away the black. So I'm just gonna take the black shade on my finger and pack it with the finger so it becomes more intense. Honestly, it's totally fine if it gets messy. Like, it fell down my cheek, but I'm not even gonna worry about it because it's fine. It's just fine. Then we'll go back in with some more red and begin to drag it down more down here, because I'm kind of going off like the vampires in Vampire Diaries, if anyone's familiar with that. They get like really dark around this area. So I'm gonna do that. Still going with the red and a little bit of the plum shade. Keep dragging the red. Literally do like a full circle of the red all over the eyes. Now to really darken up the eyes a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my Pixie Black Noir Endless Silky Eye Pencil and apply that to the waterline. This is really gonna give like that dark eye look. And then we're gonna go in and smudge it out a bit. Gonna go in with this pencil brush and smoke it out a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with some more of like that wine color shade and apply that under where I put the eyeliner. More of the red shade. I'm gonna take a little bit of the red shade and some bronzer just so it could blend nicely, and just apply some right here, kind of above the contour. And then a little bit up here. I'm also gonna add a little bit more of that wine shade right here because I want it to look darker. I'm using this NYX retractable lip liner in the shade red, obviously. And I'm just gonna start to draw like veins. Sorry, I got in the zone. I don't want it to look too thick though, because when it looks thick, it starts to look fake. Alright, I'm going to go over with a little bit more red shadow so it doesn't look too intense. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some liquid liner. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. I'm just going to draw a thin line. Okay, so before I go in with the lashes, I feel like I need to go in with the contacts because that's the only way I'm going to be able to do it, because I'll probably end up crying these lashes off. So I'm going to take these contact lenses by, where did I get these? I forgot where I got them, but I'll have it linked down below. These are in the style Vamp Volturi, so definitely for vampires. I hope they don't look weird. They're supposed to be like red and black. So I'm gonna go and put these contacts on off camera and I'll be right back to finish up the look. Oh my lord, this makes me look so freaking crazy. I was literally crying because I couldn't get these on, but I need to put on these lashes and finish this video because these contacts, I just cannot do contacts. Like, I don't know, for some reason my eyes just want to water. Some people can do contacts, but for me, I am like struggling, but I love how this looks. So I'm gonna go and put some lashes on. I'm gonna take the Lash Bar LA Dirty Dancer. I really wanted some long dramatic lashes, so I feel like these are gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna put these on off camera and I'll be right back because these, I feel like these contacts and these bright lights are too much for my eyes right now. So I'm gonna do that off camera, turn these lights down, and I'll be right back to finish the look. I feel like I chose a really good lash. They are very long and dramatic, but it looks so good with this makeup look. As I was like looking through the stuff that I have for this look, I realized that my vampire teeth did not come with an adhesive, so it's literally not gonna stick. So I have to go buy that, but I could probably make it work for a picture. like this adhesive. Oh my god, I wish I had the adhesive. But now we're gonna go ahead and I think I want to add a no highlight. I want to add a little bit more of this red color right here. Okay, I think it looks good. And now we're gonna move on to the lips. So I'm gonna go in with my Retro Red by Larizzi Cosmetics lip liner. And my lips are kind of dry, so I'm gonna take my lip balm. Okay, I just needed my lips hydrated because I'm gonna go in with a matte liquid lipstick, and those dry the heck out of my lips. So I have my Anastasia one and I have a ColourPop one. I really wanted like a dark red, so I'm gonna try to mix the two on the back of my hand. The ColourPop is LAX and the red one from Anastasia is Seraphine. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques detailer brush to apply it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my like scabby blood. I like it because it's pretty thick and it looks really real. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on that same brush that I used for my lips and just have it like dripping down. I'm gonna put a little bit on the lips. That looks so good. Okay, so I kind of want it to look like I really attacked. So I'm gonna take this red mouth coloring. I feel like it's not gonna be as intense, but that's fine. I just want it to look like it's stained. All right, I'm gonna get it on my hands. This looks black, hold on. No, what is that? That literally looks like brown. Okay, we're not gonna use this coloring. Ew, that was $7 at the Spirit store. What a freaking ripoff. All right, so I'm gonna take the scabby red blood. I think that looks good. Yes. So I kind of want to look like a bougie vampire. Like I don't want to get my hands dirty. So I picked up these long black gloves from the thrift store, brand new. Do you guys see this? Like, sorry. I don't know how I feel about the gloves. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the gloves. Okay, let me go fix my hair and I'll be right back. All right, so I don't know if I want these gloves. I feel like I'm not feeling it. I want that more of like a, for another video. We'll save those. I had a different vision in mind. So this is the completed vampire makeup look. I love the way this came out. The contacts definitely amped it up and made it more like scary. And the blood, again, don't recommend this mouth blood from Spirit store. It's literally brown, it's not red, but I got this one from the Spirit store. This one's a bloody scab, and that one definitely looks a lot more red and like blood. So yeah, I added just some earrings just to make it look a little cuter. Choker would probably look cute, but I didn't have that. But this is the look for you guys. So that is all for today's Halloween tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.